Some fidget trading. Well, guys, I have some more fidget toys. I have a pea popper, all of these stuff. So let's get into the video. Let's do some fidget trading. I think I'm gonna trade this net ball net thing, and it changes yellow. So because I don't really want it, so let's see who will trade for this net ball thing. Let me put all my stuff behind me. Okay, now let's fit all of this. Okay, trading netball, going once, going twice, going 3 times. Me, I want to offer. Okay, what's your offer? My offer is this marble mesh thing, whatever it's called, and this emoji thing, and this little thing right there. That's a really good offer. Should I? I'll do it. Thank you. You're welcome. Well, that trade was so fair. Alright, let me see who will trade for this. I already got some emojis, but okay. Trading this green emoji with pink. Going once, going twice. Me, I want to offer. Okay, what's your offer? My offer is this thingy cube and this fidget spinner. That sounds like a good trade. Would you do it for something else? Sure, why not? Okay. Let's look inside my inventory. I think she will do it for this. I have a few of these. Do you want it for this? Yes! Okay. That was a great offer. Okay. That was good. I'm gonna see if anybody wants to trade for my monkey noodle. Trading monkey noodle, going once, going twice. Me. Okay, what's your offer? Would you do it for this pink monkey noodle? Okay. That was a great trade. That was like really fair. I already have 3 marble neshes. Should I trade one away? Should I trade the blue one away? Okay, I will trade the blue one away. Trading blue marble mesh. Going once, going twice. Me. I want to offer. Okay, what's your offer? This pea popper. Okay, I will do it. Thank you. Now I have 2 pea poppers. See? I have 2 pea poppers. Okay, I'm gonna see who will trade for this yellow super duper cool fidget spinner. Trading this super cool fidget spinner, going once, going twice, going 3 times, going 4 times. Me, I want to offer. Okay, what's your offer? My offer is this marble mesh, this infinity cube, and this thing, I don't know what it calls though. And this monkey noodle, and this blue marble mesh, and this. Well, are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. You know what? Let me look for another one. Another this one. I will trade this. Would you want it for this one? Yes. Okay. If you add something else, one more thing, then I will accept. Okay. I will offer this. Okay, it's a deal. Thank you so much. Welcome. Well, that was a lot. I kind of want my stuff back. I only have this fidget spinner. Can I please have some of my things back? Sure, why not? I want my marble mesh. Okay, what color? I want the one that you're holding right now. Okay, here you go. Yay, now I have 2 things. Thank you. You're welcome. That girl was pretty nice. Let me see who will offer for this, something cube, whatever it's called. Forgot. Or Rubik's Cube. Trading Rubik's Cube. Going once, going twice. Me, I won't offer. I will offer this bike chain. Okay, I will do it. Thank you. Whoa, I had it only 2, something cubes. Now I have a bike chain. Let me try this out. This is cool. Let me see who will offer for this. Trading this little thing that I don't know. I don't know what it calls. Sorry. I'm gonna offer. Okay, what's your offer? My offer is this. Is this poppet? Oh, okay. I will accept. Wait, no, not yet. Well, guys, I'm gonna try to scam her and get more of her. I'm sorry, but this is more rare than the poppet. So, would you want to do it for this one? Sure, why not? Okay, but this one is really rare, just like the other blue one. So you might have to add more. Okay. I will add this pea popper. Is that enough? No, because this is never coming back. It glows in the dark. Okay. I will add this other one. And I will add this Rubik's Cube. And this. And all my 4 emojis. And this. And that, is that enough? That's like a whole bunch. What are you thinking? Keep on adding because this is never coming back in the game. Oh, okay. I will add this. And that. I'll take this back. Now I'll add this. This yellow fidget spinner. That. This. And this on the Rubik's Cube. And this marble mesh. And this fidget spinner. Is that enough? Because this is like a whole bunch. Keep on adding. Okay. Are you trying to scam me or something? No. Why would I scam? Ugh. You're just gonna get my full inventory. I know you're trying to scam me. I'm not scamming you. Actually, you can go look on the thing over there. It says glow in the dark. Let me press on it. Yeah, it says glow in the dark. Okay. And never going back in the game. I will add this bike chain. And 2 of these marble meshes. And these cool fidget spinners. And this monkey noodle. This. And that and that. Is that enough? Gosh, she's overpaying. She doesn't even know this is coming back in the game. It's already in the game, though. Okay, I will do it. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Oh my gosh, I have a puppet. Oh my gosh. These are so hard to come out. Ugh. Well, okay, I'm still happy with my stuff. And I'm so happy I got this fidget toy. Wait a second. She did scam me. This is in the game. I'm so sad. Now I can't even have my stuff back. Ugh. It's not fair. I think I made her mad. And I think I really feel bad. But I still want my stuff. Well, okay. Look, if you give me your thing back, then, or my thing back, I will give you this emoji. I don't really trust you because that is called scamming. Whatever, give me it. No! No, I don't have anything in my inventory. I'm gonna get you back. Ugh. Now I'm just a newborn. Or teen. Oh. I made her so mad. Let me try all these. Marble mesh. That's cool. Scissors. This. Pea popper. This. These are cool. Where's my bike chain? Oh. Yeah. Okay. Well, guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and I'm going to be doing a giveaway. I'm kidding now. I'm sorry. Well, it's time to end the video here. Make sure to subscribe, like the video, and comment down below what's your favorite fidget toy. And also, don't forget we're getting to 20,000 subscribers. And I'm really happy with that. Bye.